everybody, this is Natalia from Indian Trails Public Library branch. Welcome to Family Craft Fridays. Today's project is the bird seeds ornaments. The supplies that we're going to be using are a couple of cookie cutters, bird seed, unflavored gelatin, corn syrup, a craft stick. You will also need a bowl and a spoon to mix it all up, a couple of pieces of yarn, a couple of pieces of drinking straw, and cold water and boiling hot water. And now I'm gonna show you how to make this birdseed ornament. We'll start by adding the full cup of cold water to the bowl, and then we will add our gelatin on top, and we'll let it soften a little bit. Now we're gonna add a cup of hot water and stir until the gelatin is completely dissolved. Then I'm gonna add the corn syrup and stir it until everything is combined. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it well and add the birdseed into the mixture. Okay, here we go. Now we'll pour the birdseed and mix well. The mixture will feel a bit liquidy, but it's okay because we are going to place the bowl into the refrigerator for 10 minutes. And the liquid will firm up a little bit, and then we'll start making our ornaments. So now we've got our mix out of the fridge. It's been there for about 10 minutes. You see how thick it became. Now I'm gonna mix it up a little bit and start filling our cookie cutters. When filling, just try and get the bird seed mixture into every piece, every corner of the ornament. And use your spoon to press down, so we'll get to the very bottom of the ornament. Now we're gonna be hanging our ornaments outside for the birds to enjoy. So now I'm gonna be using the piece of straw to put it through here to help us later put the yarn in the hole that we're making. Make sure that there is about ½ an inch distance from the edge of the ornament to the hole. Here we go. Now I'm gonna just fill the second cookie cutter and create another ornament. You see, I'm not using up the entire mix of the seed dough, so you can, whatever you have left over, you can just use your own cookie cutters, or you can just like free form them in bowls and use them to feed the birds. Okay, so those two are ready. We are gonna be putting them in the refrigerator for about 4 hours, and then we will unmold them and show you what we've got. Now that a few hours have passed, I'm going to remove the cookie cutters and unmold the ornaments and tie the yarn to them. As you can see, they are set really nice. So what you're gonna be doing, you just gently pull them away from the cookie cutter and free up your ornament. There we go. So now I'm gonna just push the straw through to make the hole. So now we have a hole. To place the yarn, put the yarn onto your straw and use the straw to help you push the yarn through. Here we go. Now I'm gonna tie it and it's all ready to be put outside for the birds. Here we go, it's all ready. I hope you enjoyed this program. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope that you will subscribe to Indian Trails YouTube channel.